This point, call me the queen for onion juice DIY because I'm literally the queen. Hey guys, my name is Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as usual, I'm doing onion juice treatment as a pre-poo for my hair. Yes, for my wash day routine. This is something I usually do when I want to take care of my scalp. You know, onion juice is a scalp treatment and also for the hair. So if I want to take care of my scalp, this is the treatment that I usually go in for. It's so simple to make. Just blend your onion and then your garlic and then your cayenne pepper. When you finish, strain everything, you are good to go. Yeah, so this was my hair before I started the process. I had put my hair in this three strand braids in order to keep the moisture in it, and then take care of it for a while. Before, I didn't want to leave my hair on for it to shrink, so that is why I left it like this. Yeah, so I first of all took the strands down. The process of preparing the onion juice is very easy. Just blend together. It's the easiest treatment you can ever make. Just blend together, but the benefits are enormous. Just blend together and then strain when you are done blending, and you are good to go. Yes. Why am I using onion juice for my hair? If you're on this page, you know that onion juice is something I don't sleep on at all. When I say I don't sleep on something, it means that it's something I constantly use. By hook or crook, it is in my routine. Whether I'm having a good week or not, a good month or not, I make sure that I include onion juice in my routine. Yes. So it's something I don't sleep on at all. It's able to take care of my scalp very, very, very well. Yeah. So after I take the three strands braids down, I go ahead and then apply the onion juice. I mentioned that onion juice is for the scalp. Yeah. So my goal is to make sure that it touches every part of the scalp very, very well. That is my goal, to make sure it touches every part of the scalp very, very well. I'm not leaving some parts untouched. I'm not leaving some parts. You understand what I mean? Yes. So my goal is to make sure that the onion juice touches the scalp. And because it's also a hair treatment, I don't leave my hair strands. No, 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 no. I make sure that I go in with the hair strands as well. I take care of the hair strands and then I take care of the scalp, all with one onion juice. Yes, guys. This is very simple. Though. If you are on this page and you have not done onion juice before, you are missing out big time. It's able to grow your hair because of the sulfur nutrients in it. Onion, garlic, they are all rich in sulfur. You know that species, they are all very rich in sulfur. And if you study a little bit about hair, you know that the hair loves sulfur. Yes, sulfur is something that makes the hair grow. So that is why onion juice is a natural sulfur you can add to the hair to help with your hair growth. Yeah, so don't mind me. I'm just talking to my siblings in the room. That's why you hear me talking and talking and talking. But then after all, this is the treatment that is going to give you the life that you deserve. Yes, it makes the hair so soft. I really don't know the magic that onion has, but when you put it on your hair strands, you feel that the hair becomes so soft, so manageable. You can tell that I hardly put combs in my hair. It's not like I hate combs. No, sometimes you can do away with combs. If you can do away with comb, try as much as possible to do away with them. If you can do your hair without using a comb, try as much as possible to do away with comb so that it doesn't break your hair. Sometimes what we do is that we take care of our hair when it is very, 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 very dry, and that is what causes most of the problems that we face. Yes, very, 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 very dry, and it causes most of the problems that we face. But then if you're able to take care of it very well, you be able to dodge some of these petty issues that come along the way. Yes. So how often should you use onion juice? You can use onion juice once in a month or on every wash day. Every wash day, because onion juice is not something that is going to overload your hair or something and you'll be feeling some way about it. No, 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 not at all, not at all. It's going to bring your hair back to life. You can do this treatment in big batches, but then make sure you store it in a freezer, not a fridge. A fridge will sort of reduce the potency of it, but a freezer keeps the potency. So anytime you want to use it, you just put it down to thaw for a while and then you start using it on your hair. It's as simple as that. Yes, anytime you want to use it, you thaw it for a while and then you start using it on your hair, and it still remains very, very, very fresh. One thing I've noticed is that if you put your hair in three strands braids is able to retain moisture longer than if you just put it in twists. That's one thing I've noticed, and I think it's very true, because when I was taking down my hair, I noticed that it was still very moisturized. It was still very, very keeping moisture in it. And if I had done it in twists, I am certain that the hair would have been dried by the time I was doing this onion juice treatment. Yes. So if you are looking for a longer way to keep your hair, try keeping it in 3-3 instead of twist, in order to maintain the moisture that you have in your hair. If you don't do that, you're going to regret it too. So make sure that you keep your hair in 3-3. Yes. So right after you finish applying the onion juice on your hair and scalp, you wear your shower cap and then you wear your steamer cap. You want the nutrients in the onion juice to penetrate into your hair follicles, feed the root of your hair, give it the nutrients that it needs or it deserves. So that is the whole point of wearing a shower cap and a steamer cap. Yes. So you wear your shower cap and then your steamer cap for 15 minutes, or you can do 20 minutes, depends on the intensity of your heat, but you just need to make sure that you are feeling some burning sensation on the scalp. The cayenne pepper in the onion juice is able to revive dormant hair follicles. Yes, the hot sensation revives dormant hair follicles, and then it promotes hair growth. Yeah, so now I'm done with half part of my hair. I just like to add a little bit of onion juice to make sure that I have not missed any part. I have been able to tackle every part of my hair. Yes, if you could touch my hair, you'll be so impressed about how soft my hair became after I was done with this onion juice treatment. Take the opportunity to trim split ends, yes, so that you know that you have been able to trim some split ends on your hair. What I did with the remaining, I just obviously stored it in the freezer so that I can use it on my next wash day. As I mentioned, that you can store in the freezer and then use it on your next wash day. Yes. So guys, after you wear the steamer cap for 15 minutes, go straight and shampoo your hair. This is not to be left in the hair for days, so no. It's just left for that time. Go straight, shampoo the hair, deep condition your hair, and then you are good to go. Onion juice is able to help slow down the appearance of your dandruff. It's able to really, really help slow down the appearance of the dandruff. It's able to darken your hair very, very well. When I say very, very well, I mean it darkens the hair very, very well. Do well to give yourself some good massage before you go into the shower. My name is Lydia. This is Naturally. On here, I share DIYs on natural hair, things you can do to your natural hair to help it grow, to maintain the health and all that. If you are new to the channel and if this video was helpful, do well to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that when I post, you get notified. You like the video, you come, you watch, you get more videos. YouTube recommends my videos to you. Yes, I'll be ending here for today. Let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions, any opinions, anything you don't agree with, anything at all in your mind. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do well to respond to every comment on this video. My name is Lydia once again. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.